Hello guys, the following two codes mean that your clutch forks are getting stuck. One corresponds to clutch fork A and the other one is clutch fork B. They are located, one is here on top of the engine and this is the actuator that operates it, and the other one is, you can see it under the car. It's over here, and I'm gonna show you a quick fix on how to sort this without having to remove the transmission. So the first thing you will need to do, it's basically remove the four screws that hold the actuator in place and take it out. Then you can test the clutch by using a tool like this or similar, and as you turn it anti-clockwise you will see the spring tensioning, and as soon as you let it go it should return, and this will show you if it's sticking or not. Now if you have a code like this you'll probably have it sticking, so this is the quick fix I have done on several vehicles already. What you need to do is drill very carefully a small hole next to the actuator. I also drill a small hole here underneath, so basically I have everything coming out as needed, because what makes this clutch stick is the dust from the clutches themselves. As they wear, they create dust, and that dust blocks the forks. So I use a WD-40 with a nozzle like this. I just stick it inside the drilled hole, like so, and I really nicely clean the interior of the transmission where the forks are. As you can see, there will be fluid starting to drip with a lot of dust and dirt, so clean it really nice and make sure it stops sticking. Again, turn it anti-clockwise like this, and as you release it should come back all the way without any effort or anything. As I said, I have already fixed 2 or 3 cars like this, and they work perfectly for quite a while now. I hope this helps you. Again, be careful when you drill the holes. Try not to make the drill go inside. Try to drill very carefully and stop as soon as you open the hole. Good luck. I hope this helps you.